The festive season is with us again, and you know what that means? Outdoor entertaining. And if your outdoor space is looking a little dull, then I've got just the thing to brighten up your life. The Holman Garden lighting range is perfect for any situation. And best of all, you don't need an electrician to achieve that professional look. I'm going to start by installing these warm white lights on the path leading up to the entrance. First impressions count. The system goes together so easily, and I'm on a roll. The second spot is that we're going to provide some uplighting to these beautiful tree ferns and hibiscus here next to the pool. This will look spectacular from the deck and might detract from my barbecue skills. The whole system works on an ultra-low voltage, providing stylish and efficient lighting. The patented plug-and-socket safety cable system makes it a cinch to put together. To control your new lighting system, all you need to do is download the Holman app to your smartphone. It will control your lighting system with Bluetooth technology. You can control your colour, intensity, and program which nights you want the lights to come on. Engineering genius. These new starter kits have been released in warm white, so what are you waiting for?